Okay, so we're about to go do Mcafee's knob the proper way now. Look at this man's right here. He just got back. We're gonna go do it the proper way because last time we went there it was like dark. We've arrived. There's hella people here, like hella people here.
Drop it in the comments if I should hike with this McDonald's cup the entire time.
The parking lot here.
New Leaf, Justin Benedict.
We got Bear Grylls over here picking out shit to eat.
I've taken an environmental class.
I almost tripped. Look at these chumps. Look at these chumps over here, trying to avoid the mud. That's why you get shoes. Yo, not the gimbal.
Play kickball with.
Oh!
Yeah.
What?
Dude, that was dead ass. Dude, like, do you remember? Like, that was like low key my girl. Dude, you don't remember that?
I remember that.
Dude, like.
Yeah, these guys are talking about their 5th grade crushes right now.
I only started talking to Suban because Tegan was another Suban. So I got tight with Suban so I could get with Tegan.
Yo, you're fucked.
Yo.
Fucked up.
If this video gets 0 likes, I'm gonna keep making videos. 0 or more likes. Huh? How about that? Wowzers! Wowzers, everybody! If this video gets more than 1 like, I want to put that on a shirt. What are we doing right now? Mcafee's knob? Yes.
No, we're not.
I guess it's
We're
not
doing
called.
Mcafee's mom.
We're doing Mcafee's mob. Yep. And we're already like 3/4 up.
Yeah, I wish you could freaking boost it.
This is way different than it used to look.
It looks like it's it's going away.
No, I don't know, man. I think I was speaking fast. Dude, look at that freaking band. Like, if Sharp Top with this would be insane. Like, you know what I mean?
Dude, yeah. It's just Sharp Top is like, there's nothing but look, like there's nothing in your way to look at stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like you can see all around the entire mountain, right?
Mm-hmm. We gotta do that again.
Isn't it crazy how like each step we take, every time we touch a rock, like that'll turn into a hole?
After it got dark, we headed back down, and that was the end of another successful hike.